In this video, I will show you how to insert a signature line in Microsoft Word document. Open your Word document and click where you want the signature line to appear in your document. Go to the Insert tab in the top menu. On the right-hand side, click on Signature Line. Select Microsoft Office Signature Line from the drop-down menu. In the Signature Setup dialog box, fill in details such as the suggested signer's name and title. Click OK. The signature line will appear in your document and be ready for signing. If you want to add a handwritten or scanned signature, you can insert it as an image and place it above the signature line. This method works for both printed and digital documents, making your Word files look professional and ready for signatures.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.